You want to play, Coco? Okay. Good boy. Good boy. Can you bring it to mommy? Bring it to mommy. Bring it. Lazy. Give it to mommy. Give it to mommy. Give it. Give me your toy. Give me your toy to mommy. Get it. Give me a toy. Give me a toy. Good boy. Coco, over here. Come. Mommy's tired already. You're not tired? The dog does not get tired. Yeah, you're getting tired because now you're not running around the living room. All right, Coco, no more playing. I'm tired.